So boredom is a trigger, right? We talk a lot about this in the emotional eating component of the program. Boredom is a trigger. So I would go back to that section in the program where we talk about emotional eating and we talk about triggers and then we talk about controls, food controls and non-food controls. So someone that is eating from boredom needs to come up with some non-food controls when there's no hunger, right? So those non-food controls, and this is something you want to work with your client on, coming up with 3 things. It is all individual. So again, this is a partnership. You need to work with that person. But a non-food control might be getting up and going outside and doing some grounding, getting barefoot and walking in the grass. It, of course, depends on where the person is. I could not do that in my house in New York City. I'd have to walk a mile to the park. But that could be something for someone. It could be writing in a journal. It could be putting on an amazing meditation. It could be listening to someone's favorite song and dancing. It could be getting down on the ground and doing 10 push-ups. It could be it really just depends on the person, but you need to come up with 3 non-food controls for the trigger of boredom.